Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I am very excited to be introducing you guys to the No Shades of Grey challenge from Hobbii yarn. So this is now my second time working with Hobbii. I'm not sure how many times or how many years they've been doing the No Shades of Grey challenge. However, this year I am very excited to be participating. So the No Shades of Grey, I've got notes, guys, because I will forget something, but this is going up on this video will be live on January 15th. I am actually filming this on December 28th. So bear with me, guys. This is my fourth video of the day that I have filmed. So I am very excited about this challenge. The day this is going up is January 15th, and this is known as Blue Monday. It is the saddest day of the year. It's kind of the fall down from the holiday seasons. We're now in the period of time where we're having longer nights, shorter days, and the weather is just not accommodating in large parts of the world. So as somebody who's been dealing with rain for the last 4 days, trust me, I understand. Also, this is a time of year where if you're in the States, I know a lot of, like our husbands in particular are, feeling the drought of athletics as athletics have not kicked off for the new season. And there's just nothing driving us outside of our homes or to really look forward to imminently. So this, my husband suffers with seasonal affective disorder. I've got a number of friends that also have issues with SAD. So I'm very excited personally to be participating in this. So what is the No Shades of Grey challenge? So for Hobbii, they have an Instagram hashtag. They are running competitions, but they reached out to a number of creators to pick some yarns that they have supplied to us to make projects that are anything but gray and boring. And I think this is an absolutely wonderful idea. I think it's great for those of us who are crafty to really bring light into our lives and inject color and excitement into our own lives and in our personal space. So it's a really interesting, fun idea. Mind blown. So there are competitions on the Hobbii website. I will leave a link in the description box down below to the competition site so you can get a little bit more information over there, but they are giving away gift cards and stuff like that to the Hobbii website, which I think is really cool of them to do. There is a hashtag on Instagram where you can share your makes. For those of us who are participating along with Hobbii and sharing with you guys what Hobbii is doing with the No Shades of Grey challenge, we were asked to pick 4 colors, not black, gray, or dark blue, to make a project with. So I did ask for 2 different groups because I would like to do one crochet project and one knit project. So for my knit project, I chose the Hobbii Winter Glow, which is 51% wool, 49% acrylic. It is a worsted weight yarn. It calls for a size 5mm needle, and I believe it is listed as, it's a size 4 yarn. So I chose color 9, color 22. They have a lot of colors in this line if you are interested. This is a single ply roving style yarn. It is a thin number 4. So we also have color number 2. My hands are getting a little. Color number 33 and color number 20. I'm very, very excited about this color palette. So this will be a knit shawl. I am 97% sold on one of the Stephen West patterns, because if you really want to inject excitement into your crafting life and you're a knitter and happen to love shawls, why wouldn't you choose a Stephen West shawl for something like this? So I really, really love that color palette. Now I do have a shawl also in mind that I would like to crochet. This one kind of bent the rule without breaking it. But I really wanted to do, to me, this is a summer evening sky before sunset when everything kind of blends in. This is all blues, all shades of blues. And to me, you know, I live in the southeast of the U.S. Summers here tend to be super clear and very hot and muggy. So to me, like, this just screams that the darkening horizon right before dusk starts to fall with the bright blue, and then you've got the color of the clouds where we tend to get those wispy clouds that tend to just look like soft blue brushed across the sky. That's what I was thinking with this skein of yarn, and I would like to make this into a shawl that is crocheted. So this is the Dulce Cashmere, and this one is 65% virgin wool superwash, 25% polyamide, and 10% cashmere. It is super soft. Let me tell you guys, this is a fingering weight yarn. This is 200 grams. It calls for a 3 to 4 millimeter needle or a 3.5 to 4 millimeter crochet hook. So I'm thinking something, there's a couple patterns I was thinking of, but I want something lacy and very open and just airy to kind of continue that sky effect, the summer sky here effect. Anyway, I am very, very excited. If you are looking for some inspiration for what to do, because we really would love to see all of you guys participating in the No Shades of Grey Challenge this year, on Hobbie's website, they do offer free patterns in their pattern catalog, but they also have Hobbii Plus, which is a subscription service where you get even more offerings from articles and patterns from designers that many of you guys are already familiar with. So definitely go to the Hobbii website, check out the inspiration that they have. According to Hobbii, they have over 6,000 posts under the hashtag over on Instagram. So that would be another wonderful place to go look for some inspiration for your No Shades of Grey project. This isn't just limited to shawls. While I do love making shawls, you can make an amigurumi. I mean, how cute would it be in the theme of No Shades of Grey to do like a happy rainbow with like the little smiling cloud faces? You could do sweaters, you could do socks, you could do scarves, you could do ear warmers. Any project is welcome for this challenge. And I am just so unbelievably excited. I have been itching to dive in already because I already have an idea of where I want these projects to go. And like I said, it has been rainy and moopy and gross here already from starting Christmas morning to today. So it's now been 4 days of rain and overcast. And so, yeah, I am already ready to dive into these projects, and I am really, really looking forward to seeing what you guys are doing as well. Please also come over to my Facebook page and share your makes and projects there as well with my community, because I would love to see all of your projects. Not only that, but I know my entire community would love seeing your makes and projects too. Hold on one moment, please. Sorry, somebody was at the door begging to come in. So let me double check my notes just to make sure that I did cover everything here. 4 joyful and solid colors that bring a smile to your face. Keep it simple. Opt for an easy knit or crochet pattern. Embrace the colors. Experiment with stripes, color blocks, or alternating rows. Share your vibrant creations on social media using hashtag No Shades of Grey to inspire others. Blue Monday is the saddest day of the year due to the combination of bad weather, long nights, and lingering aftermath of the festive glut. Yes, I appear to have covered everything. I don't appear to have missed anything. I am just, my brain is going like 90 miles a minute because I'm thinking, I wonder if I've already got a needle free that I can go ahead and jump in on. Pippin says he's ready for it because he would like for me to just curl up and snuggle him while I'm working on something luscious and happy. Because if I'm in a good mood when I'm knitting, then he gets to lay there and snuggle the entire time. You would think this kitten got no love whatsoever. Anyway, you guys, I cannot wait to see your projects. I cannot wait to see what you guys are making. And I can't wait to share with you what I am working on as well. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. And I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye, guys.